Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through a 231 XS from Scout Boats. So I want to start off on the bow of our 231 XS and first display the amount of casting space that we have on the foredeck. We've also got two rod holders forward, flush mounted, along with two flush mounted cleats at recess. You've got space for your anchor locker and a trolling motor plug as well. Lots of storage on the 231. You've got port and starboard storage for fishing rods, both sides. Storage for your battery charger for your trolling motor that is beneath the Yeti cooler. You've also got a live well forward, freshwater fill, and two speakers. All of these lids are on a gas shock. They have a nice soft close. We've got a double wide passenger seat in front of the console that opens up ample amounts of storage forward. You've got your stereo unit. You've got a interior light, and this is also space for your batteries, including those for a trolling motor. Around the console, we have rod holders on each side, both port and starboard. Nice windshield and a stainless steel grab rail. Here at the dash, we've left the dash blank so you can equip the boat with whatever electronics you prefer, size and brand. We have digital gauges from Yamaha, your stereo remote, your jack plate switch, aircraft style switching for all of your pumps and lights. We have this boat equipped with trim tabs and the digital throttle and shift with the Yamaha 300 horsepower motor. We've got a nice footrest and adjustable steering wheel with the Edson steering wheel. Really comfortable helm seat with a fold down seat here. The backrest is really contoured. Very comfortable seating. Rod holders on both sides of the helm seat as well. And then aft, we have identical live well bait whales. This is all equipped with non-skid surface, so this whole aft area can be a nice fishing platform for you as well. We've got an adjustable stern seat, and then access to your bilge area, all of your seacocks, and also designated space for tackle tools. We've also got two speakers aft as well. Again, this boat is equipped with a 300 horsepower motor from Yamaha. We've got a telescoping swim ladder that's integrated into the transom, along with a grab handle to make getting in and out of the boat easier when you pulled up to the beach. And then we've also got a fiberglass wedge that's mounted on the starboard side to where you can equip the boat with a power pole. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, your local dealer for Scout Boats. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our Facebook page for the latest happenings with your local MarineMax store. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.